For a decade, Air Peace has not only connected nations in the sky, but has built a home on the ground, a melting pot where diverse tribes, nationalities, and backgrounds unite under one purpose. Our employees are the hearts of Air Peace. Together, we've built more than just an airline. We've forged a family bound by shared values, diversity, and a commitment to excellence. As we celebrate a decade of soaring success, we launched the Air Peace Oktoberfest football tournament. Not just a game, but a powerful symbol of unity, telling the story of Air Peace. On this field, we are not divided by roles or ranks, but united by the same colors and the same passion. Here, teamwork, harmony, and mutual respect shine in their purest forms. Our male teams, BUU Shooters, BVE Rangers, BQQ Warriors, BUO Armies, BWI Wanderers, BYJ Rovers, BXG Gunners, and BQV Invaders, and our female teams, the BUJ Amazons and BYF Angels, all rise with strength, purpose, and an unshakable bond. This is more than a game. This is the story of Air Peace. With every pass, every tackle, every goal, we celebrate what makes us Air Peace. Teamwork, health, unity, and the spirit of competition. On this field, we are reminded that when we work together, when we share a common vision, there is nothing we cannot achieve. Just as we fly the skies as one, we also stand united in our diversity, in our commitment, and in our triumphs. Air Peace, stronger together, soaring higher. Join the journey, follow our story, be part of the legacy. Air Peace, more than an airline, we are a family.